Friends, do you want to start a business that will generate a lifetime income with a modest investment? If so, today we brought you a business that is in high demand in the automobile industry. It is the engine coolant manufacturing business. Today, these engine coolants in vehicles play an important role in keeping the engines of vehicles running smoothly and preventing them from overheating. Due to this, the demand for engine coolant products is gradually increasing. And also, these coolants are used not only in the automobile industry, but also in various industrial machines for efficient heat management. In this situation, if you are looking for a less competitive but high demand manufacturing business, then engine coolant manufacturing can be a great idea for you. So in today's video, we're going to see how to start this high demand engine coolant manufacturing business. Watch this video completely, and to know more of such unique business ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market scope and demand. Today, as the use of engine coolant continues to expand in all types of vehicles, the demand for engine coolant products is steadily increasing. In addition, the automotive industry in India is currently expanding rapidly as more vehicles are being manufactured, and people are opting for electric and hybrid cars, which is accelerating the demand for coolant. The coolant market in India is now approximately 1,500 crore rupees, and it is growing at a rate of 7 to 8% annually. Not only that, the global market size of coolant is expected to reach $8 billion by 2028. This means that not only the domestic market, but also the potential for exports in the future is huge. Therefore, with this increasing demand, the engine coolant manufacturing business offers a promising and profitable opportunity for entrepreneurs. Research and training. Friends, before starting this engine coolant manufacturing business, you should first do a proper market research because it will help you to know the industry where there are opportunities and make decisions. Also, you need good technical knowledge as its manufacturing processes involve various stages. But if you don't have technical knowledge in this field, then don't worry friends, you can get training there which is provided by MSME training institutes, government skill development centers, and many private chemical companies. So you can learn through training centers in your town or nearby. How much investment is needed? Starting a small and medium scale engine coolant manufacturing plant requires a moderate capital. Generally, the investment required to start a chiller manufacturing business for a small and medium scale plant is around 25 to 30 lakh rupees. And if you want to start a large-scale manufacturing plant, you will need a capital of 70 lakhs or more. This only includes raw materials, machinery, packaging materials, and legal compliances and running costs will be required separately. It is important to note that the above is only a rough estimate. These can change at any time. So it's better to approach industry experts or business consultants for accurate investment details. Location and space selection. To start this business on a small to medium scale, you will need a space of 800 to 2,500 square feet. Importantly, try to start your factory near an industrial area or the outer ring road of the city. This will make transportation easier and will also make it easier to comply with pollution control regulations. Next, the place where you start your business should have adequate water and electricity facilities, availability of skilled workers, and a safe environment for chemical storage. Raw materials. The main raw materials for making engine coolant are ethylene glycol or propylene glycol, distilled water, corrosion inhibitors, and coloring dyes. You can easily buy these chemicals from industrial chemical suppliers like wholesale chemical markets in your city or nearby towns. Apart from this, bulk suppliers are available on B2B platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, and Alibaba, where you can order material at competitive rates. Machine for business. A lot of heavy machinery is not required to make coolant on small scale. However, in a basic setup, you will need a mixing tank with stirrer, storage tank, pH and quality testing kit, filling machine and packaging machine. Friends, you can get these small-scale manufacturing machines from your local industrial machinery suppliers, or you can order them directly from websites like online B2B destinations such as IndiaMart and Trade India. However, you can start production with small semi-automatic machines first, and as the demand increases, you can install automatic machines. Get license and permits. A chiller manufacturing business needs to obtain some import licenses. First, GST registration, then MSME Udyam registration, through which you can avail government schemes and subsidies. Apart from this, since it is a chemical-based product, NOC is required from the Pollution Control Board. Next, approval to operate is required from SPCB, CPCB before starting the production. Apart from this, chemical storage approval and fire safety and industrial safety clearance are required. And finally, if you want to sell your products under a brand name, it is advisable to get trademark registration and BIS certification to easily build trust in your product market. Manufacturing process. The coolant manufacturing process is very simple and does not require much technical knowledge. First, the raw materials, ethylene glycol and distilled water are mixed in a mixing tank in a predetermined ratio. After that, corrosion inhibitors and dyes in the required colors for coloring are added to this mixture, and then they are mixed thoroughly with the help of a mixing machine. Then this well mixed and finished product is tested in a laboratory for chemical stability, pH, freezing and boiling points, and corrosion resistance as well. Finally, after this quality test, when the product is ready, it is filled into different bottles or jars through a filling machine and prepared for the market by applying branding labels. Marketing and sales. This business is not just about production. Branding and packaging also play a very important role in it. So first of all, make your coolant attractive with packaging, proper labeling and branding. Then you can sell it directly to automobile workshops, car service centers, bike garages and spare parts stores. Apart from this, you can also do wholesale by partnering with wholesalers and automobile parts distributors. Apart from that, you can also sell your coolant on online platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, Just Dial, Amazon, Flipkart, and your own e-commerce website. If you want to make your brand strong, do special discount offers and social media marketing. Most importantly, participating in local automobile fairs and exhibitions is also a small way to sell. Friends, this engine coolant manufacturing is an industry where demand is constantly increasing. And yes, this market is going to grow even bigger in the coming times due to the increasing demand for automobile and industrial machinery. And like every business, there are some risks involved, especially related to product quality and market competition. However, if you train properly, maintain good quality and do smart marketing, this business can bring you more profits not only in the short term, but also in the long term. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.